What's happening? Well, apparently J-Dubs, it's said that J-Dubs and Vaughn are coming here to stalk me. And I'm not happy about that, because, you know, we don't do the stalking thing here at the dojo. No? No, Jen, you're not blocked. I am planning on coming back later. Me and Jason together talk about something. I don't know. What do you need today? I want to sell. What are you offering? Everything. I made 7,000. I'm taking this bear. I'm taking the mama bear. It is my bear, it's no one else's bear, and you can't have it. Now see, this would be cute to give to, Marina. I'm gonna give that to Marina. And it's good to have a magazine, because you kinda need it sometimes. For making items. What's in the cabinet today? Got lilies and cosmos. No, nothing interesting there. Alright. I'm probably, during these, cozy games, I'm probably gonna, like, combine Animal Crossing with, like, the Hello Kitty in the future. Let me see. I want Marina to have it. No! Alright. What's going on in here? What's up, Tam Tam? I am currently trying to give a jewelry accessory type device to Marina. Because she's a pretty girl, and she deserves it. Have the accessory stand, babe. What? Yes. I've been looking into things with accents. As a thank you, please take my lacy tank. Oh my god, it's a cute tank. Wait, let me see. How cute is it, is the question. This is much cuter. Anyway. The Hobbit game in 4 days? Oh. I want to play that. Maybe I can get it. I don't know. Alright, what do you have, Mabel? Oh, hey, Shanny. You came at just the right time. There's something I'd like to ask you today. Could I bend your ear for a bit? No, you cannot bend my ear. That sounds evil. Bend my ear? Sure, what's up? Oh, thank you. You see, I wanted to ask you about a location for a store that we're thinking of opening. Thanks to you, we've gained a lot of customers on this island who can't wait for me to come here peddling. So I've been talking with my sister about opening a proper store right here on this island. So today I came to chat with Tom Nook and we had a great conversation. He was all like, we have some materials left over from the building. Nook's cranny, All that must be done then to select an appropriate location, yes? Oh, and the perfect individual to help you find the location would be Shanny, yes? Yes. So I figured I'd just keep doing the travel peddler thing until I ran into you again, and that's now. Oh geez, I've just been rambling on and on, haven't I? Sorry, I'm pretty excited about all this. Anyway, my sister and I would feel better opening this shop with the help of someone Tom Nook trusts. So how about it, Shanny? Can you be our location scout? Sure thing. Seriously, you're a total lifesaver. What the hell was that? Sorry. My phone. Anyway, seriously, you're a total lifesaver. Alright then, let me give you this Talos construction kit. I know exactly where I'm gonna put this. I have it all set up. Or set out in my mind, man. Just set it up in whatever spot makes sense to you, and that's where we'll have our shop built. Well. What clothes you got, darling? Okay, what's up? What's on sale? Let's see. Alright, so we got a print layer shirt. Okay. We got some sweater on shirt, preppy shit. Good to hear your voice again. I'll come back when you're not playing later. Alright, Tam. Yes, darling. Thanks. Do you want to look at anything else? Yes. The wide chino pants, I want to see. Thank you, ma'am. The chino pants. It's like rosy lace skirts. I'll take it. Here you go. Thank you. Alright. This is like a Chucky dress. An overall dress. You got it. I do. I do, thanks. Do you want anything else? Yes, a paper bag. Good. Straight, Rip Ozzy. He had a good life. And he died with his family all around him, and I'm happy for him. That he got, like, probably the best ending a person could have, to tell you the truth. Holy tights. The green ones, of course. Of course, you know, after this, I have to make an outfit. We lost a great man and a mentor. Yeah, but I just figured he just went home to, like, make a, like, really cool choir when Jesus comes back. Hulk Hogan died? No! I'm looking that up. Chase, you're not one to make things up, are ya? Oh my god! Jason, Hulk Hogan died! Rip Hulk Hogan! Wow! It, like, TMZ 20 minutes ago, Hulk Hogan, dead at 71. Holy shnikes. Wow. Two amazing legends all at once. Like, that, nah, man. A legend in wrestling and a legend in heavy metal? Dude. That's messed up, man. That shit ain't right. That shit ain't right. There is something going really weird in this world, and I don't like it, because legends are dying for no reason. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the shop, like, around here. There we go. The tailor shop over there. For him, I assume it was steroids and stress. Yeah, he's also had, like, a lot of surgeries. You know. What's up, Nick Gamer? How are you? Sad about Ozzy? Yeah, I just planted my head in my hands and just weeps. There's nothing else you can really do. Alright, magazine. You know what? Place your butt over here. There we go. Change your outfit. No, losing Ozzy does suck, but he doesn't have to be in pain anymore, though, either. So, like, I look at it in that way. That he doesn't have to suffer like he was. Yes. No. There we go. Lovely outfit for the summer days. Anyway, guys. I'm taking off. I got things to do. I will see you a little later tonight. We'll do some spooky ass shit. You know, all that wonderful stuff. You know, spooky ass shit. I'll see ya. Peace, Maranatha. Oh my goodness, it's the Kit Kats. And they are the best babies in the world.